So I got this fake Rolex, Bolex, and this Bravingtons. I'm gonna try to remove that movement. It's not working. Take that and put inside this. Not sure if it's gonna work. Well, definitely not the most pretty, but it worked. It needs refinement, but to be fair, it's usable. Of course, it can't. It's not waterproof at all. But there's a new watch alive. Oh, I'll call it Frankenstein. Frankenstein is alive. So it's a Rotary strap, fake Rolex case. Jesus Christ. Yep, you're Frankenstein. Oh my goodness. It is alive. What have I done? You know what? I kind of like it. Look at that. Oh my god. Yep, that's the watch of the day. Frankie.